Hey, I'm Chris with Stealth Cam and Muddy, and today I want to talk to you about our blur reduction feature that's found in our brand new Stealth Cam app. Let's go ahead and dive right into that. So we're going to go into the settings and we're going to scroll down, and you can see right now this camera is on advanced. So I'm going to click on that and you'll see the three different options. Standard and advanced will come with all of our cameras. Progressive is only on our higher end models, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to talk about some of the differences between these three different options. Standard gives you the brightest nighttime images, but also they can have the ability to potentially be more blurred than the other two options. If you go to advanced, the photo is going to be slightly darker, but with less blur and a little bit more clarity. Progressive is found on the new higher end cameras, and this is going to give you the most crystal clear, crisp nighttime photos, but they are going to be a little bit darker. So those are your three options when it comes to blur reduction. Just choose the right setting for you. If you'd like to learn more, go to StealthCam or GoMuddy.com.